Two streaming giants, but which one really delivers? On the left, Disney Plus, your ticket to Disney, Marvel, Star Wars, and more magic. On the right, YouTube TV, live TV with major sports and unlimited DVR all in one place. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category gets points. By the end, you'll see exactly who takes the crown. The result might not be what you expect. Okay, quick look at our game plan. Here's what we're comparing today. We've got price, content and channels, live TV and sports, family and kids features, integration and ecosystem, availability and flexibility, and, reliability and disputes, because trust me, that's a whole thing. Ready? Let's jump in. All right, first up, let's talk price. Disney Plus is actually pretty affordable. So if you just want Disney Magic, it's $15.99 a month for premium. And if you bundle it with Hulu, it's even less, starting around $10.99. Plus, they love throwing bundles at you. The catch is, those ad-free tiers and bundles do start adding up. And yeah, there's no live TV in the mix. Switch over to YouTube TV and wow, the sticker shock is real. $72.99 a month? I mean, you do get live TV, DVR, and a ton of channels, but honestly, it's way pricier than Disney Plus, and that cost jumps even more if you want extra stuff. Sometimes they throw in credits or discounts when there's drama, but still. So who's our wallet winner here? Disney Plus. Easy. Next, content and channels. Disney Plus is like all the on-demand content you could dream of. Disney, Pixar, Star Wars, Marvel, Nat Geo, especially for kids and families. Lots of exclusive stuff, so if you're all about streaming those big-name shows and movies, it's a goldmine. But no live TV, no sports. If you want those, you'll be peeking over the fence at YouTube TV. And speaking of YouTube TV, it packs in over 100 live channels, so you've got news, sports when the deals are right, tons of entertainment, and that unlimited DVR is pretty sweet. But as of right now, they're actually missing a bunch of Disney-owned networks like ESPN and ABC. Kinda awkward, huh? Plus, if you're more of an on-demand person, YouTube TV just can't match Disney Plus's depth. So on this category, it's genuinely a tie. They shine in different lanes. Live TV and sports. Here's where things get interesting. Disney Plus? Yeah, not much. Unless you're counting cool documentaries or old sports archives, this is pretty much a no-go for sports or live news. On the flip side, YouTube TV, it's meant for sports fans, with NFL, NBA, tons of award shows and news, if all networks are playing nice. Unlimited DVR too, so you never miss a game. But, and it's a big but, right now all those Disney-owned sports channels like ESPN and ABC, they're gone because of a dispute, and that's brutal if you want the big games. So, if live sports count for you, YouTube TV usually destroys the competition. Just maybe not today with the ESPN thing. Still, YouTube TV is the winner here, even with the drama. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Disney controls one of the biggest on-demand libraries in the world, but its live sports, ESPN, are so valuable that their absence from YouTube TV causes major price and subscriber shifts. Seriously, it's wild how much the whole streaming game changes based on these deals. Family and kids features. Let's get real. Disney Plus is basically the king here. Seriously, nobody does kids content better. The library is huge, parental controls are strong, and you can download for offline viewing on up to 10 devices. Big win for parents. There is some grown-up stuff in the International Star section, but you can lock it down. YouTube TV? It does offer family sharing, up to 6 accounts, and parental controls, but honestly, no dedicated kids hub, and its content for younger viewers is way smaller compared to Disney Plus. So, for family-friendly experience, Disney Plus walks away with it. How about integration and ecosystem? Disney Plus feels smooth on pretty much every device. Smart TVs, phones, tablets, you name it. And, you can bundle Hulu and ESPN Plus with really seamless controls in the Disney ecosystem. One weird thing, even if you bundle with YouTube TV, you still need a separate app for Disney Plus. So it's not this magical one-stop shop. YouTube TV does a great job with live and on-demand stuff all in one app. Unless we're talking Disney Plus and Hulu. It needs separate apps even if bundled, which is kind of annoying. Works everywhere. Smart TVs, browsers, tablets. But yeah, when disputes happen, like right now, all that Disney integration kind of goes bye-bye. Oh, and no deep linking to Disney stuff, so that's a miss. So Disney Plus wins, just for that ecosystem smoothness. Let's talk availability and flexibility. Disney Plus is available in tons of countries. Even lets you download offline and stream on up to 10 devices. Super flexible. There are some region locks, but overall, it's global. YouTube TV? It rocks in the US, and you can sneakily use it elsewhere with VPN or travel mode, and you've got cloud DVR plus multiple streams. Problem? It's totally locked to the US, and sports access depends on your local market. If you ever travel much, this one matters. Disney Plus takes this round. Last big one, reliability and disputes. Disney Plus. No major content blackouts. Super stable. Sure, sometimes titles disappear if licenses change, but that's like standard streaming stuff. YouTube TV, on the other hand, usually very reliable. But when those carriage disputes hit, hello, chaos. Channels get yanked, like Disney, ESPN, ABC right now in November 2025. And that means subscribers lose access to huge events. If you're planning to watch live stuff, this unpredictability can be a deal breaker. Clear win here for Disney Plus. Peace of mind. Now let's take a bird's eye view. You can really see how Disney Plus and YouTube TV excel in different areas. Disney Plus dominates in price, family features, stability, and international access. YouTube TV is the live TV and sports champ, when all channels are available. But those blackouts and disputes kind of change the whole picture. All right, so what's the verdict? Disney Plus is basically unbeatable if you want a family-friendly, blockbuster-packed streaming service, especially if live sports aren't your thing. YouTube TV is your go-to if you're obsessed with live TV, sports, and never want to miss the news. Well, as long as all the channels are actually available. But honestly, with the Disney ESPN blackout situation right now, YouTube TV's value takes a hit. Disney Plus is just way more dependable for most people right now. If you found this comparison helpful, save it for your streaming decisions. And hey, check back soon. If that Disney YouTube TV dispute gets sorted, the game could change again.